Online traffic in 2025, it's a burning haystack, and the needle's on a coffee break. Rising ad costs and plummeting organic reach mean your budget's draining faster than my patience. People like Sarah Mitchell were stuck at 8 to 12 visitors a day on the verge of quitting. Then TrafficWave Generator 2 arrived. It promises free, targeted visitors without the usual overwhelm. It practically prints money, mostly. While others scramble, Pinterest is an overlooked goldmine. It's a visual search engine with massive buyer intent. 463 million users, 5 billion searches, $200 average order value. So why isn't everyone on Pinterest? The sheer effort. 3 to 4 hours a day just creating and scheduling content. That's where TrafficWave Generator 2 steps in. It's the world's first AI-powered Pinterest automation suite. Imagine a team of Pinterest pros, except it's software. Key features include AI keyword research, automated pin creation, especially video pins, and video pin magic, boosting clicks by 500% and engagement by 93%. It's almost unfair. It also offers smart scheduling, performance tracking, brand customization, and AI-powered titles/descriptions. It's a set-and-forget solution. Created by seasoned Pinterest veterans Demetris and Alex out of sheer frustration, their mission is to help 10,000 entrepreneurs. The proof is in the numbers. Sarah Mitchell went from 8 to 12 visitors to over 2,100 in 30 days, earning $3,700 a month. She credits video pins for a 500% click increase. Other users like Mike Thompson and Lisa Rodriguez also saw dramatic increases. Some people just have all the luck or, the right software. Who should use it? Affiliate marketers, bloggers, e-commerce owners, social media managers, anyone frustrated by high costs and unpredictability. Basically, anyone who wants free targeted traffic and values their sanity. Pros: fully automated, creates viral video pins, massive time saver, beginner friendly, integrates with Canva, backed by real success, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Cons: Pinterest focused, requires some learning, training included, and best for those investing time in Pinterest as the extremely targeted traffic source. It's clear TrafficWave Generator 2 offers a fresh, powerful approach. With a proven track record, beginner-friendly interface, and solid bonuses, it's worth serious consideration. The launch price is $27 with a special discount, plus exclusive bonuses like the Pinterest Traffic Bible. Little risk, big potential. Here's to your hustle, growth, and freedom. Now, if you'll excuse me, my coffee break is calling. Click the link in the description below this video if you are viewing it on YouTube, or any link in the article on my blog.